Hello beautiful world, it's Princess Katie. Welcome to the first video of my Astrology 101 series. Today we'll be going over the 12 zodiac signs and their symbols. In Western astrology, there are 12 zodiac signs or constellations. 11 of them are represented by either a human or an animal. Only one sign is not. Stick around to find out which sign is represented by an object. And if you already know, comment down below with the answer. It takes the sun, the brightest star in our solar system, 1 year or 12 months to circle the Earth. That means that the sun spends approximately 1 month in each zodiac sign. So when someone says, "What sign are you?" they're really saying, "What sun sign are you?" Now I'm going to teach you all the zodiac signs and their symbols. I don't know about you, but I am feeling super magical today. I have my magic elder wand. And let's begin our first lesson. I'm going to start with the first sign of the zodiac, starting in the very first house, and that is Aries. Aries is represented as a ram. It's an animal. You can see the horns of the ram right there. The second sign is Taurus the Bull, also an animal. You can see the horns of the bull right there. Our third sign, Gemini the Twins, represented as a human. You can see the two twins right here. The fourth sign of the zodiac is Cancer the crab. And you can tell that these are the crab claws represented as an animal. The fifth sign is Leo the lion, represented as the lion's mane, also an animal. The next sign is Virgo the Virgin. It is said that this symbol is representative of virgin genitals. The seventh sign of the zodiac, am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. The seventh sign of the zodiac is Libra. Ding, 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 ding. You guys reached it. Libra is represented as scales. It is neither human nor animal. It's represented by an object. The next sign is Scorpio, represented as the scorpion. You can see here the little stinger. The next sign is Sagittarius. Sagittarius is half man, half horse, but the glyph for this sign is an arrow, because we're also known as the hunters. The next sign is Capricorn. Capricorn is a goat fish. This is the goat, and then here's the tail of the fish. The next sign is Aquarius, the water bearer. It's a human pouring a bucket of water as the symbol. And then last, in the very last house, is Pisces, represented as the two fish. As it is said, we are in the age of Pisces, or are we in the age of Aquarius? Who really knows? Thank you very much for watching my first Astrology 101 video. That's the first video in a series, so there's more to come. In the next video, we'll be learning about the elements and which signs fall into which elements. See you next time.